According to the yogis, there are three principal nerve currents. One they call the Ida, and the other the Pingala, and the middle one is the Sushumna. And all these are inside the spinal column. The Ida and the Pingala, the left and the right, are clusters of nerves, while the middle one, the Sushumna, is hollow and is not a cluster of nerves. This Sushumna is closed and for the ordinary man is of no use, for he works through the Ida and the Pingala only. Currents are continually going down and coming up through these nerves, carrying orders all over the body through other nerves running to the different organs of the body. The task before us is vast. The first and foremost, we must seek to control the vast mass of sunken thoughts which have become automatic with us. The evil deed is, no doubt, on the conscious plane, but the cause which produced the evil deed was far beyond in the realms of unconscious, unseen, and therefore more potent. This is the first part of the study, the control of the unconscious. The next is to go beyond the conscious. So, therefore, we see now that there must be a twofold work. First, by the proper working of the Ida and the Pingala, which are the two existing ordinary currents, to control the subconscious action, and secondly, to go beyond even consciousness. He alone is the yogi who, after long practice in self concentration, has attained to this truth. The Sushumna now opens, and a current which never before entered into this new passage will find its way into it and gradually ascend to what we call in figurative language the different lotus centers, till at last it reaches the brain. Then the yogi becomes conscious of what he really is, God Himself.